What is hydropower? Hydropower, or hydroenergy, is a renewable energy source derived from the kinetic energy of flowing water. It is a clean, carbon-free energy alternative, often referred to as hydroelectricity. Large-scale hydropower plants generate energy for domestic and industrial use and can store it for later use. Hydropower plants require a reservoir to store water, which flows through a valve or gate, converting potential energy into kinetic energy. This flowing water spins a turbine, generating electricity. There are three main types of hydroelectric plants. The impoundment type stores water in a reservoir and releases it based on electricity demand. The diversion type channels water through canals without using a reservoir. The pump storage type pumps water uphill using external energy sources like wind, solar, or nuclear power and later releases it to generate electricity. Hydropower has several advantages. It is a clean and renewable source of energy that does not emit greenhouse gases. It provides local energy independence by utilizing available water sources, reducing reliance on external energy supplies.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Reservoirs created by hydropower plants offer additional benefits, such as recreational activities like boating and fishing, as well as flood control and irrigation. The flow of water can be adjusted based on electricity demand, ensuring efficient energy production. Despite its benefits, hydropower also has disadvantages. The installation of hydropower plants requires a high initial investment, making them expensive to develop. These plants can only be constructed in specific locations where the water supply is sufficient for electricity generation. While hydropower itself is carbon-free, the construction of dams results in greenhouse gas emissions, and the decomposition of plants below the dam also contributes to carbon release. Dams built at higher elevations pose potential flood risks, and failures can cause significant devastation. Additionally, hydropower plants are susceptible to droughts, which can impact their efficiency and electricity production. Globally, China is the leading producer of hydropower, followed by the United States, India, Canada, Brazil, and Russia. Hydropower accounts for approximately 71% of the world's total renewable energy. The world's largest hydropower plant, the Three Gorges Dam in China, is located on the Yangtze River and has a production capacity of 22,500 megawatts. For more related videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.